Welcome back, guys. Good night. Tonight we're making cornmeal dumpling, right? I'm not talking about cornmeal flour dumpling. We're talking about real corn, as in real cornmeal dumpling we make. I know you guys probably never hear about this one before. Maybe you have to go check your grandmother or your great grandmother, and then we fill in with the recipe, yeah? But me I go go need still. Anyway, get a grater. I go to the store this morning. I buy some corn, some young corn. So you don't want it fully yellow, yeah? You get some young corn and we're gonna grate it. If you don't have no grater, you can use a blender, right? But grate it. With this, you don't need a lot of flour. You just have to use the flour to combine and hold the corn together, yeah? So I grate our corn. We buy 3 corn. Grate it. Just the corn you try to get off it. At the time you get the juice and everything. Yeah. After that, this is what you want it to look like. Then we'll get some salt. Teaspoon of salt. Or a quarter cup. Yeah. As we Jamaicans say. Just a tint of salt we get the flavor. Right? And then we'll add the flour. 1 cup of flour. We might add some more after the texture start to combine. So after adding our salt, your tinge of salt, or you gotta add a tablespoon of butter. Yeah. And then you gotta combine everything together. Crush out your butter, add everything together. So you not even need water because of the cornmeal and all the juice come from the cornmeal itself. You don't even need water in there. As I said before, you gotta dash in a little bit more flour inside, you know, just to combine it properly. You need it in. Little bit more dust. See, I'm not adding a lot of flour in there. After the 1 cup, that's all you need. Kneading everything. And no matter how you knead this type of flour, it never get hard. You know, you have some dumpling when you cook them. They're like rocks. Not with these. Little more dust. So we gotta get ready to roll. There you go. Pinch off a small piece. Roll. See the hand texture. This is how you want to move. You flatten out your flour. Ready to go. Alright, so we're gonna put on our pot now and get everything ready. So after you finish with rounding the dough, you add some water and some salt to your water. Not too much salt. Alright, I'm adding some olive oil. So when it start boiling, it don't stick to the bottom of the pot. And there you go, you add your flour and you give this 15 minutes and your dumpling would be ready. Yeah. In Jamaica we say when it starts floating to the top, it's ready. Anyway, may I do it with some mackerel. In Jamaica we call this dirty gal. So I add some kid mackerel and boiled dumpling. So I cut up some seasoning. The young chef is with me tonight. Okay. You know, more help out, so it's good. Yeah, show him the ropes. Okay. You know, maybe he don't want to be a chef like him father. Although him say he want to be a pilot, so we'll see what happens. But it's also spicy. At least I might get some good ear here with this ear price that's going up right now. So may I add my seasoning, my scallion, my thyme, my garlic, my bell pepper, everything to the pot. Yeah. And this is this type of boiled dumpling. I'm gonna tell you guys this are the best boiled dumpling, corn boiled dumpling you ever have. As a matter of fact, anytime you have this particular dumpling, you're not gonna want to have no more again. This is the type of dumpling you're gonna eat. Yeah? And we have other type coming up too. Not just corn dumpling, but trust me. Log on to the channel. You're gonna see a much more healthy type of flour. I'm just watching. Anyway, we'll throw some olive oil to the pot. After we put it on medium heat, we'll add half a teaspoon of garlic. And then add all the seasoning that we cut up. Yeah, bell pepper, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, celery, everything you add to the pot. And then we start it. Overcook it. After you do that, you add in your tin mackerel. The young chef, step on my side, see me, and watch what you're doing.
Actually got your own little thing.
Add the seasoning. Then you add your mackerel. The tin mackerel. And get that cooked. Here you go.
What do you
add the favorite seasoning to it. All purpose. All.
Huh?
And I can drop it. The website is on my channel, so you guys can find it if you want. Okay, you get 10% off the first order. So we add your tin mackerel now.
Oh.
Boom. Add that to the pot. Stir it around a little bit. Look one excited. He ready to eat, and him eat earlier, you know. But when he come on to him boiled dumpling and him tin mackerel, he get excited. So I'm gonna add a little black pepper to the pot. And then we're gonna cover it. But before we cover it, I get some ketchup. We add some ketchup to the tin with a little bit of water. And then we stir it around. Because we don't leave nothing in the can, you know. The Jamaican people, them know me I talk about. Or whoever used to Caribbean and tin mackerel food, them know so we don't leave nothing in the can. We have to rinse it out and then add it to a tin mackerel. And that's the gravy right there. Stir it around a little bit and then add the cover on it.
I'm gonna be in my room.
Okay. So dumpling and tin mackerel ready for share. Yeah. And that's how you want your flour. And that's the boiled dumpling right here. Plus the tin mackerel on top of it. Usually we eat this with butter, but you don't know. kind of step it up a little. Butter already in it, so we don't have to add the butter on the outside, but more time we don't have no meat. We just deal with it with some butter. Yeah, them know me I talk about. Butter and dumpling. Look at that. Your fat just run right through it. Soft, nice. After tonight, you guys finish eat cornmeal dumpling. The powder way. Real corn. And majority of it, 90% of it is corn. We just use the flour to hold it together. Melt in your mouth. Yeah, that's what I talk about. Enjoy, guys. And remember to comment and like and subscribe to the channel. It a growing up, but it a grow slow.